Want to speed up your language learning? Get access to all of our best PDF cheat sheets for free. Just click the link in the description and sign up for your free lifetime account right now.
Hi everyone, welcome to Ask K-Jin. My name is K-Jin. 안녕하세요, K-Jin입니다. In this series, I'll answer your Korean questions. So if you have any questions, please let me know by clicking the link in the description. Or you can go to koreanclass101.com/ask-K-Jin. So ask me any questions. Today I picked questions related to similar Korean words. Here's the first question. What's the difference between 벌써 and 이미? 벌써 and 이미. Both of them means already. So something was done already a long time ago or before the present. But 벌써 has another meaning, which means so soon, more quickly than you thought. So for example, someone is saying 나 집에 가야 해. It means I've gotta go home. 나 집에 가야 해. 나 집에 가야 해. I've gotta go home. And you can say, 벌써? Already? That's much earlier than I thought. 벌써? So this is a big difference. Both of them means already, but 벌써 has another meaning, like so soon. Here's the second question. What's the difference between 좋다 and 좋아하다? 좋다 and 좋아하다. The big difference is this. 좋다 is an adjective and 좋아하다 is a verb. So 좋다 is an adjective meaning to be good. 좋다. And it also means to be fond of. That's why sometimes people think 좋다 means exactly same as 좋아하다, the verb meaning to like. But please remember, 좋다 is an adjective and 좋아하다 is the verb. And second difference is this, the particle. Yes. 좋아하다 and 좋다, they use different particle. Before 좋다, you use a particle 이 or 가. And before 좋아하다, you use a particle 을 or 르. Here's an example. I like fruits, by the way. So, 포도가 좋아요. 포도가 좋아요. And 포도, it means grapes. And 가, the particle. And 좋아요 is exactly same as 좋다. But 좋다 is a dictionary form. Its the root form is infinitive. And 좋아요 is polite spoken form. And it's the present tense. So, 포도가 좋아요 means I like grapes or I'm fond of grapes. 포도가 좋아요. Or can also say 감이 좋아요. 감 means a persimmon. 감. And 이 is a particle and 좋아요 means to be fond of or like. Do you see this particle? I'm using 가 here and I use 이 here. It's because 포도, this is a noun ending with a vowel. So I use 가 here. And 감 is persimmon. And it's a noun ending with consonant. So I'm using the particle 이. So you use some noun and after that you use a particle depending on what it ends with. And use 좋아요. So 포도가 좋아요. 감이 좋아요. And if I want to use 좋아하다 with exactly same words, I will say 포도를 좋아해요. Again, 좋아요 is the present tense is spoken, polite spoken form of 좋아하다, which is the dictionary form of to like. 포도를 좋아해요. 감을 좋아해요. I like persimmons. 감을 좋아해요. So I use 를 here because 포도 ended with a vowel. I use 을 here because 감 ended with consonant. So 포도가 좋아요 and 포도를 좋아해요. This means exactly the same, but you just need to use different particles. Then you might be wondering, teacher, you said 좋다 can also mean to be good or to be fond of. How can I know which one is meant? Well, you see the context. So when I see 포도가 좋아요, well, you can guess. Oh, I'm talking about grapes because I like it. 포도가 좋아요. Or I'm showing you 포도 and it has good quality. Then I might be saying, the quality of 포도, the grapes, is very good today. So it depending on the context. You can clearly see the context very easily, so don't worry about this. Here's the last question of the day. What is the difference between 다시 and 또? 다시 and 또? Well, both of them means again. So something happening again, once again. But 다시 has some meaning, some nuance. You do something all over again from the scratch. 다시. And 또, you do something again additionally. So that's the difference. 다시, all over again. 또, again additionally. For example, you are asking me a question. What is homework in Korean? What is homework? So I'm saying, homework in Korean, that's 숙제. It means homework, 숙제. And you are saying, please write it again using 다시, using 다시. As in, 다시 써주세요. 다시, again, 써 is from 쓰다, meaning to write. And 주세요 means please. So please write it again. 다시 써주세요. If you say 다시 써주세요, then I will do this. Oh, okay. All over again. 숙제 is 숙제. Here you are. 숙제 means homework. So this is what I will do. I'll write again, all over again from the scratch. But imagine you use this expression, 또, as in, 또 써주세요. 또, again, 또 써주세요. If you say that, I will do this. Okay, I write it again. 숙제, additionally. So I'm writing it again, additionally, not all over again from the beginning. So 숙제 is homework. And 다시 has a nuance, doing something again, all over again from the scratch. And 또, you do something again, additionally. That's it for this lesson. Today I answered 3 questions about similar Korean words. If you have any other questions, click the link in the description or go to koreanclass101.com/ask-K-Jin. Thanks for watching. I'm K-Jin and I'll see you on koreanclass101.com. 다음 시간에 봐요.